At Daikin, we keep pushing the boundaries for more sustainable solutions, enhance in-use performance, simplify installation and reduce our environmental footprint. Our new VRV5 heat recovery is our solution to achieve your goals in decarbonising commercial buildings. It's fully optimised for R32 lower GWP refrigerant, reducing the potential global warming impact of the refrigerant with 71% compared to R410A solutions. Furthermore, VRV5 offers top sustainability through market-leading, real-life seasonal efficiency and efficient three-pipe heat recovery. Our expert support enables you to reach the highest levels in green building certification. 5 sound pressure levels down to a quiet 40 decibels and an outdoor unit range of up to 87.5 kilowatt will suit any application. Increasing legal requirements can complicate system selection. You will have to consider possible leakage issues, think about refrigerant concentration, and take into account room size regulations. Not with the new VRV5. It offers best-in-class design versatility with a fully flexible system to take care of every room. It has all measures factory integrated without the need for any measures to be implemented in the field. It complies with the latest regulations and has a third-party certification according to product standards. And our online express selection software validates compliance to the latest product standards. That's why the new VRV5 is most definitely your best choice. VRV5 BSSV boxes offer fast installation and ergonomic serviceability for installers. Thanks to the refrigerant flow-through connection, the system has far fewer brazing points. And servicing is made easy thanks to the sliding down PCB. VRV5 offers best-in-class design versatility, offering the most extensive range of specially designed VRV R32 indoor and ventilation units, which are easy to monitor and control. On top of that, extensive piping lengths enable you to cater small to large buildings with a single system. At Daikin, we envision a world with healthier indoor air while reducing our environmental impact. Together, we can start a sustainable legacy now. The new VRV5, purpose-built to support the decarbonisation of commercial buildings.